We are very excited today to have the honor to speak with one of China's foremost economists, a very famous economics professor, Xu Bin.
He will tell us about the trend of China's economy.
And hopefully he'll be able to make some predictions for us about what will happen in the future of China's economy, both short-term and long-term.
What about the recent stock market crash?
So we are really looking forward to learning a lot from him today.
So to start, we can separate the real economy and the monetary economy. The real economy is about manufacturing, about the service sectors, and so on. So on that side, the Chinese economy is not doing as well as we wish to, because the manufacturing sector is slowing down. The service sector is doing well, but stimulus from this service sector is still not as big as the manufacturing sector used to be. And but we also have the monetary side, which is the financial markets. That actually is causing a lot of worries all over the world. And I think we should view the stock market performance in China as only reflecting the stock market itself, not necessarily reflecting the real economy. Overall, China actually has really upgraded to a middle-income country. As a result, we do not expect the Chinese economy to grow at a very fast rate. On the contrary, if the economy can grow slower but in a more healthy way, that is probably the best we can hope for. China is in a difficult transition from this older economic growth model, which is mainly driven by investment and exports, to a new economic growth model, which is driven by innovation and entrepreneurship. Okay? And so that transition turns out to be very difficult. We should not underestimate the potential of the Chinese economy, because in China, there are certain elements that are very much strong. One is education. So the workforce actually is very reliable. And the second is that people here actually are very kind of working very hard to strive for success. Therefore, entrepreneurship is actually very prevailing among young people. So I think given these fundamental elements of the Chinese society, I think as long as the policymakers do not make bigger mistakes, as long as the environment for private companies and entrepreneurs is healthy, I think we have a bright future for the Chinese economy.
Wow, so it really sounds like a mixed review, the assessment of China's economy. But it does look like after this rocky period, there is light at the end of the tunnel.
It's a very interesting time for the global economy, and China will play a very big role.
It's true. See you next time. 不见不散。